Hi everyone, and welcome to PM Path. Whether you're new to project management or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. Today we're starting with the basics. What is project management? Why is it so important? And what does a project manager actually do? Project management might seem like a buzzword, but trust me, it's so much more than that. It's the backbone of getting things done in any organization. Whether you're building skyscrapers, launching a marketing campaign, or even planning your dream wedding. So let's dive right in. At its core, project management is the process of planning, executing, and closing a project to meet specific goals within a defined timeline and budget. Let's break that down. A project is any temporary endeavor with a clear beginning and end, aimed at achieving a unique goal. For example, developing a new app, organizing a corporate event, or setting up a website for your business are all projects. Now here's where project management comes in. It's the discipline of ensuring that these projects are completed successfully by applying proven techniques and tools. It's all about balancing three key factors: time, cost, and scope. We call this the project management triangle. If you've ever worked on a project, you know how tricky it is to keep these three in balance. Too much focus on one, and the others can suffer. Project management ensures you deliver the desired results without wasting resources or running out of time. So why does it matter? Without proper project management, projects can go off the rails, deadlines get missed, budgets are blown, and people get frustrated. But with project management, you've got a roadmap that guides you and your team to success. Now let's talk about why project management is so important. The first big reason: efficiency. With a clear plan in place, teams know exactly what needs to be done, when, and by whom. This reduces confusion, avoids duplication of effort, and ensures resources are used wisely. The second reason: risk management. Every project has risks, unexpected challenges that can throw things off course. Project managers are trained to identify these risks early and develop strategies to deal with them. Third, project management ensures quality. When you're managing a project, it's not just about getting it done, it's about getting it done right. And finally, project management promotes collaboration and communication. Good communication is the secret sauce of successful projects. When everyone's on the same page, there's less friction and fewer mistakes. So whether you're running a small business or working in a massive corporation, project management is critical to delivering value and achieving your goals. Alright, now let's get to the fun part, the role of a project manager. If project management is the process, the project manager is the person steering the ship. So what exactly do they do? First, project managers are planners. They define the project's objectives, create schedules, allocate resources, and set deadlines. Without a good plan, a project is like a ship without a compass. Second, they are team leaders. Project managers bring people together, assign tasks, and ensure everyone knows their role. Think of them as the glue that holds the team together. Third, they are problem solvers. When challenges arise, and trust me they will, project managers step in to keep things on track. They need to think on their feet and find solutions quickly. And finally, they are communicators. They're the bridge between the team, stakeholders, and sometimes even clients. A great project manager knows how to convey updates, manage expectations, and keep everyone aligned. In short, project managers wear many hats. They're planners, leaders, problem solvers, and communicators all rolled into one. It's a challenging role, but it's also incredibly rewarding because you get to see your projects come to life. So there you have it, a crash course on what project management is, why it's important, and the vital role of a project manager. If you're thinking about diving into the world of project management, stay tuned to PM Path because we've got a lot more coming your way. In the next video, we'll talk about the project life cycle, the step-by-step process that every project goes through from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.